Welcome to Fab India's home and lifestyle store in Gurgaon. Interestingly, home as a vertical is very close to Fab India's heart since we began our journey with it 60 years ago. So let me walk you through the store and show you all the products we have here that would help transform your house into a home. We've divided the store into sections based on the different product categories we have to offer to our customers. So floor coverings is where it all began. Floor covering Daris was our first product category that we launched in the Indian market. We have something for everyone, right from some printed mats to some very exquisite kilims and chain stitch Daris. This is our bed linen section. We have a mix of some printed textiles and some beautiful hand-woven bed covers and cushion covers here. The breadth and the depth of our collection truly means that you can create your own look. There's something incredibly energizing about these handcrafted textiles. What you see here are beautiful hand-embroidered Gudri bed covers. These here are Ajrak prints. These are our beautiful cutwork bed covers, some chain stitch cushion covers, and here we have some hand block print indigo dyed bed covers. Fab India Bath is a firm favorite of many families. Here we have a mix of terry towels, we have some gamchas, we have some bath mats, and we have a lot of bathrobes which match with our towels. For curtain making, we offer a customized service, and we also have an extensive range of ready-made curtains in 2 different sizes. For people who are looking to buy upholstery fabrics for their sofas or for their armchairs or just to customize curtains, we have some amazing option here in some prints and in some hand-woven textiles. Fab India also has a superb range of table linen to match with our tableware. We have some beautiful tablecloths, some table runners, some table napkins, and some beautiful table mats. Fab India has a very distinctive handwriting, and our tableware has a loyal fan club. Our home decor offering is perfect to give those finishing touches to your house. And pretty much all the merchandise you see here is functional, right from these clocks to these candle stands, these beautiful photo frames with carvings, and these cute little drawers that you can use to store jewelry and a lot more. We also have a spectacular range of lighting products. We have some bedside lamps, some floor lamps, and we do have a lot of option in hanging lights as well. What you see here is one of our signature pieces. It looks amazing if you put it next to a bar cabinet or in the corner of your living room. So this right here is our interior design studio. This is the latest addition to our product offering. Here we have on our panel some very talented and qualified interior designers who can help you decorate your house, basis your taste and preferences, and the size of your house. What makes Fab India really unique is that we create a lot of contemporary designs in our furniture and furnishings using some very ancient and rare techniques and crafts of India. Here we have a few pieces from our Bunai collection. The highlight of this collection is this intricate cane weaving. All this is done by hand. Our Karshi line is more of a sophisticated collection. The products from this collection embody the craft of Bidri, whereby metal is inlaid in wood. We've been working very hard to develop some fabulous new upholstered furniture. This pretty armchair here is superb with its caster legs. I love the way this corner has been put together. This truly represents the Fab India home of today, with its solid pieces of furniture, crafted lighting, and the furnishings. So this was just a glimpse of what Fab India has to offer. Please do visit our stores to check out all that we have for you to create a space that you're proud to call home.